Good morning, Monument family. Rise and grind. Listen, it's Lamar Brown, your profit coach. Listen, we are on day four of this combine on step one on Top Step Trader. Now, I'm excited. Wait till you see what we did today. I want to kind of give you a big overview of what we need to accomplish. So, Top Step want us to trade a minimum of 5 days off this first combine. Minimum 5 days. You could take 6 weeks, you could take 2 weeks, you could take 6 months, you could take a year. But you have to minimally trade 5 days. This is day four. So we got one more day to trade to get to the minimum requirement to pass the first step to go on to the second step of the combine, which the rules get a little bit more stringent. But listen, we got a plan, we got a strategy, we're going to make it happen. So I want to take you to the charts real quick, family, and I want to show you exactly and break down all the trades that I did. So let's go ahead and let's go to the screen. Now that you can see the chart, we're ready to rock and roll. I want you to show you that last night the market took a sharp turn down. Not only did it affect the regular market, but you can see it in crypto, you can see it in all the other financial markets, and we just took a tank in the market. Well, I don't know what's going on just yet. We're going to be looking at our media reports a little bit later on today. But when you look at that, you see early this morning the market took a sharp turn up. So it looked like it was getting ready to correct all the way back up, but it began to fail once I got back into the market and looked at it this morning. It looked like it's about to go back down a little bit lower than what it did last night. So I'm preparing for that setup. I'm preparing for that trade. So I look at my 20 ranker and I'm looking and I say, hey, listen, we are now underneath the EMA, so we're looking for short trades, right? We're looking for short trades. I look at the 6 EMA. We underneath the EMA. We're looking for nothing but short trends, right? Short trades. That's all we're looking for. So that being said, my family, we are now not trying to catch the very bottom. We're not trying to catch the very top. We are now trying to get with the trend. Remember, we are surfers. We ride the wave. And the wave saying that we're going short today. So I'm looking for the setup. I'm looking at the if you look at the momentum indicator on the 20 ranker and you see that green arrow pop up, we're getting ready to go into this correction. Look, we in a correction. For what? A short trade. We're looking for a short trade setup. So what I'm looking for, either the momentum to turn a little bit green dark or a red arrow. And then I'm going to look at my 6 ranker and see that if I can make that coincide with each other. And then I'm going to execute a trade. All right. So let's look at it, family. Let's see exactly what we got going on here. So everything is lining up on the indicators itself. So what we're looking at, everything's underneath the 6, saying we're going short. Oh, there goes a red arrow. Let's get in the market. Boom. There we go. It's going against us just a little bit, and boom, I think we can get all the way to the bottom of the last last low of the market, and that's what we're going to get out of the market. Boom, $305 already in there. Listen, the market is just shooting down really, really hard, family. Hey, listen, don't worry about riding it. We took profit, $305. It took us a few seconds in the market. We winning, okay? Don't look at what you possibly have lost. Look at what we have gained. Look at what we accomplished in that short period of time. Look, we got another setup. We got another setup. I'm looking for it to go back into the market, but I want to make sure that we got a good setup. Before I actually enter in the market, I got to feel comfortable. Things are moving so fast right now. We're excited. The adrenaline is of winning is actually just rising like crazy, but I'm not trying to gamble this account, family. We're going to take our wins and we're going to keep our wins, all right? It's not about going in there winning and losing, and hoping we come on top. We want good quality trade setups before we actually enter the market, right? So I want to go ahead and I'm going to just cut this area here and then take you right before it's time for us to go into another trade, all right? So family, as you can see that we're still in a persistent downtrend. Look at this. We got a green hump right there in the 20 ranker. We still below the EMA on the 6 ranker, and I'm like excited. Let's get ready to go. Okay, so I see another little smile correction. I say let's get in the market. There we go. Made a mistake and double click. I don't like doing stuff like that, so I get out the market early. That's how we end up with $745. Although it was a good setup, a good trade, all that good stuff like that. When I made a mistake by double clicking the mouse, that right there was like, hey, listen, that wasn't a good trade. Let's go ahead and get out the market. My nerves was not at par, right? To be a great performer. My nerves was a little bit off because the market is just moving so fast. Yes, look at that. I could have took major profit, but no, I decided to get out, and I'm happy with that because I'm being responsible, and that's what you need to do to last in this game. All right. So let's go to the next trade we took of the day. Right, we had $745, family. $745 already. Let's go to the next trade. So now you can see the market is going up. Right, the market is above the EMA. I'm saying let's set up to go take a long trade. There we go. We take a long trade. I'm not really confident because now let's get out the market because look, if I look at the 20, we're not long. What's that telling you, family? That was a bad trade. That was a very bad trade. I should have waited for the market to on the 20 ranker to actually go above the EMA, but I did not do it. Let's get out the. My nerves are still bad from that last bad trade. All right, so that's why I didn't execute like I supposed to. We're going long, a persistent long movement in the market right now, family, and we're just getting ready to set up for the next trade. I'm calming myself down. I know that my nerves is a little bit off, and I'm saying wait for the setup. Wait for the setup. It is coming. It's coming. Look at that. We got a red arrow in the 20 ranker. We're above the EMA. On the 6 ranker, we're above the EMA. I'm looking for a nice little drop down correction. And there we go. We got our signal. Boom. Let's get in. Look at that. Look at all that upside. Get out. And look at where we at, family. $1,070 in the market this morning. $1,070 in the market. And we only did 15 minutes worth of trade time in the market today. Listen, come to me real quick, family. Let's go back over the numbers real quick. Let's go back over the numbers. This is day 4. The first 2 days, we did over $1,000. The third day, we did over $800, family. Our 4th day, we did over $1,000. Come on, family. We right there. Tomorrow's our due date. Can we do it? Can we get it down? Can we pass step 1 of the combine for Top Step Trader? I think we got it in the bag, family. You got a chance to see me make some good trades. You got a chance to see me make some bad trades. You got a chance to see when my emotions was interfering with the quality of my trades. And you see how I responded to it. I got out before I got into more trouble. Ladies, gentlemen, we come here to trade. We ain't gambling. We got our setups. We got our patterns. We got our indicators. There's no excuse. Listen, family, we made a great trade day today. We had a great trade week last week. And all I could say to you guys, I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.